Okay, I've got two Brinks deadbolt locks here. I'm pretty sure it's a 5-pin. Yeah, 5 pins. Works. It's on both of them. The box says grade 2 security. It's probably pretty bad. Haven't got to pick these yet, so go for it and see what we get. It also has pick resistant on the box. Pick resistant, bump resistant, drawer resistant, something else too, I think. Alright, I think there's one spool in that. In the first or second chamber, so. They may not have been lying about that. And that one feels like the fourth chamber's got a spool. There we go. There's both of them. Alright, so since I only wasted 2 minutes of your life, I'll gut one of these. See what the hell's going on in there. There it is. I already took off the back tail piece there because, yeah, it was really annoying when trying to pick. And this is going to take all day just to remove the damn tail cap. Really? Okay, fuck it. That works. Alright. So, last chamber is regular. The really big ass spring. Second to last is indeed a mushroom or a spool, whatever it looks like. It almost looks like a mushroom, but I'm not sure. Yeah, that's what the pin looks like, so whatever it is. Third to last chamber, we have a regular. And whoops, I'm dropping key pins. Another mushroom spool thing. And the first one is a silver pin of some sort. Whatever that means. It's probably a steel pin. So, there's one of them. And all the key pins are regular. I'll have to find out which way they go, or where they go again. Because I'm stupid and didn't keep my finger over the damn core. Or the plug, because I'm a dumbass. Oh well. It's not hard to do, but yeah, those are the pins. I'm kind of want to know what this silver colored one here is, or the steel one, or whatever it is. Kind of interested to know exactly what it is and why it's that color, whatnot. You know, I've got magnets here. I'm gonna see something. Huh, what the hell? It's magnetic. Okay. Well, that's just weird. They put a magnetic pin in a lock. I have no idea why. And for some reason, as you can see here, the brass pin is actually magnetic too. Okay, that's just messed up. The brass pins are slightly magnetic as well. Okay, so that's one of them gutted. If you know anything about why that's happening, go ahead and post a comment, and that'd be nice. But okay, we'll see ya. And yeah, chillax and don't get sent to jail. Bye.